Introducing Power BI Controller Preview. Simplify bulk operations in PowerPoint. Do you embed interactive Power BI reports and visuals into PowerPoint presentations? Now there's an easier way to manage them all at once. Introducing Power BI Controller Preview, a new feature that lets you execute bulk operations from a single interface, saving time and effort. Why use this feature? Say goodbye to manually updating every Power BI add-in in your weekly or monthly data-centric presentations. With Power BI Controller, you can refresh, lock, and distribute reports, all in one go. Example scenario. Easily manage a monthly review presentation with multiple embedded Power BI reports by switching between live and image views in one action to ensure data is always current and secure. How to use it? Simply go to Add-ins in PowerPoint, search for Microsoft Power BI Controller, and add it to your ribbon to start performing bulk operations effortlessly. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.